Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your phone is online and that you can sign into your Samsung account. This is how the secure folder verifies identity. Once done, open the secure folder lock screen and try available biometric options first, fingerprint or iris, because they bypass PIN entry. If biometrics aren't available, press Forgot Password. On the secure folder prompt, this begins the account-based recovery flow. Make sure you remember which Samsung account is linked, so verification can proceed smoothly. Once you choose Forgot Password, you'll be asked to sign into the linked Samsung account, enter your email and password. Then follow the verification step, either a one-time code sent to your recovery email/phone or two-factor authentication, because Samsung confirms you own the account before allowing a reset. After successful verification, the system will prompt you to set a new PIN or pattern. Make sure to create a memorable, secure code and re-enable biometrics so you don't get locked out again. After resetting your lock, open Secure Folder and restore data from Samsung Cloud or your local backup so apps and files return. If account recovery fails because you can't access the Samsung account, check Find My Mobile. It can remotely unlock Secure Folder when registered. If neither option works, you may need to reset or remove Secure Folder, which deletes its contents, so contact Samsung support first. That avoids unnecessary data loss. Troubleshooting tip: always verify account recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.